Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can turn off music on Cooking Craze application. Keep watching the video till the end. To turn off music on Cooking Craze, go ahead and open up your Cooking Craze application. The homepage of Cooking Craze application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the bottom right corner of the page. From the pop-up, slide the slider of music to the left side to turn it off. This is how you can turn off music on Cooking Craze quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.